To help you to have the cadence high, you have to think spin the wheel. Imagine that you're in a big hamster wheel and you have to have it going. So keep the cadence high, otherwise you will fall. To imitate the outside run, you have to have the incline on 1.5 on the treadmill. The treadmill is actually going a bit down, so the incline on 1.5, that will be the same as the outside. So this is why some of you maybe feel like it's harder to run outside than inside. Remember to train your ankles and shins. You can do the running man, butt kicks and toe raises. This is also included in the program. This will make you more explosive and prevent injuries. So enjoy and have fun.